Hey everybody, happy Wednesday. Last update for today anyways. We are now doing a private beta on the products and the new payments. So real quick, if you haven't seen this update, it's pretty massive because it does a couple of things sort of simultaneously. So first and foremost, it brings PayPal integration to the table, which is awesome right there right there alone. But it also allows us to start natively creating products inside High Level. Now this is the foundation of a lot of cool things to come. Could text to pay, invoicing and estimating, selling more stuff on the funnel, quantities, coupons, referral codes, who knows, you name it, but this is really what it's going to be built on. And so we think everything's great. It's been through many rounds of QA, no problem so far, but now we need some real testing. It's a pretty monumental change, so we want to be really careful before we release it. And so what I wanted to show you real quick is a real quick tour through this. And if at the end of this you are interested, I will give you the link to somebody to send a PM to of the location ID. Location ID can be found in the URL. If you want to be on the private beta and you're willing to put this through its runs, and then next week we anticipate going public beta, and then finally the week after we'll release it to everybody. But anyhow, I digress. On the product side real quick, you can come in here and actually add products, which is really cool, and then we'll jump into this product that I created. Obviously you can edit stuff and that's awesome, but you can also create multiple pricing schemes for products. So for example here, you have a situation where this price is a monthly subscription price, and this is actually a one-time price. So we're selling the same product, multiple pricing schemes. So really cool, right? And again, you could sell it both through PayPal, through Stripe, and then of course, eventually probably a third-party payment gateway like an Authorize.net or an NMI. So I think that's really, really, really awesome. So again, real quick, if you're interested, grab the location ID from the URL. If you don't know how to get the location ID from the URL, you're probably not a good candidate to test this anyways. But all that said, please I'll drop the name of the product manager here in the post. And if you don't mind sending them a PM of the location ID specifically that you'd like enabled. And again, the other big thing is this is going to be on the beta URL, so that's beta.gohighlevel.com. So you're going to need two things to happen. You're going to need the product manager to turn this feature on for you, and you're going to need to go to beta.gohighlevel.com to test it out. So we'll probably limit it to 4 or 5 people, whoever kind of gets in there first. The product manager is asleep at this moment, so you won't hear back probably until later this evening. But I hope all of you are having an awesome day. I hope you're very excited about this, and we'll talk soon. Thanks.